Hello and welcome back to the channel. Brandon with Davidson Audio, and today we are going to be discussing October because October is a busy month with Daytona Biketoberfest and Panama City Thunder Beach. All right, you might be asking yourself, why do you care about October? And why are we making a video about these two events? The reason for this video is because we get a lot of questions all the time on the forums, on the page, or people call us to ask us, hey, are you going to be at this bike event? Are you going to be at this bike event? Are you going to be at this one? So I wanted to take an opportunity to make a video because we got two big events coming up for the rest of the year. And I wanted to make the video to discuss that no, we will not be at either of these events, but we will be open for appointments and installs here in-house because we're in Florida. So let's start with Daytona Bike Week, which is Biketoberfest. So Biketoberfest is a very short 3-day event. It's October 19th to the 22nd, which is Thursday to Sunday. Now, because we won't be there, we have had customers in the past that will make a detour, or depending on where the country they're at, we are kind of on the way to Daytona. We are roughly 350 miles away and about 5.5, 6 hours. We are located northwest of Daytona. We are up in the Panhandle. So if you are coming down for Biketoberfest and you really want to get your Indian motorcycle audio done beforehand, please reach out to us, because you can come before then, like on your way down, make an extra day or two with your trip, come down, see us, we can get an audio package installed on your Indian and get you on your way down to Daytona to enjoy your event down there. Now, Thunder Beach, which is located here in Panama City Beach, Florida, is a longer event. It's from October 25th to the 29th, which is a Wednesday to Sunday. We are going to be open that entire time, minus Sunday. We're closed on Sundays, but forbidding if anybody during that event does need an install, we will accommodate you for that event. Shop is located just on the other side of the bridge of Panama City Beach. Puts us 10 miles from Panama City Beach Indian Motorcycle Dealership and puts us 12 miles from Frank Brown Park, which is a majority of where Thunder Beach vendors are located. Being located 10 to 12 miles from what I would call kind of the heart of Thunder Beach, it's very accessible to come on over, chat with us. You can check out our shop, what we've got going on. You can hear our bikes because we will, again, have all of our demo bikes, which at that time will be 4 bikes set up out front of our shop, underneath our big tent, set up for anybody that wants to stop by, hear the bikes from our 2 Challengers, the Chieftain and the Harley. We'll have all of them out there with different staged audio packages. So that way, if maybe you live far away and you just want to hear what we have going on, hear some different differences, because you would like to install your audio package yourself after the event, that's fine. We've done a lot of that for people. We'll get your order together and we'll ship it to you. We have a bunch of install videos on our platform here for you all to do that yourself, because that's where we started with shipping packages out. But we also love the opportunity for customers that really want to bring their bikes down and just have us do the install start to finish to make sure everything is done to our standard, get a good custom audio tune for you to make sure that you're 100% happy with it before it leaves. I'm just going to keep it very short and simple. I don't want to drag it on too much because I respect y'all's time. I know y'all got things to do. I just wanted to take the opportunity to really stress that we will not be at Daytona Beach Biketoberfest this year, and we will not be set up physically at Thunder Beach. But mind you, during those events, if you want to come see us, give us a call, set up an appointment, bring your bikes on over. We would absolutely love the opportunity to get you set up with an audio package that'll fit your needs. So make sure you get a hold of us. You can either do it by phone at 607-800-1032, or you can also email us, brandon@davidson-audio.com. And again, our address here in Panama City, Florida is 1901 West 15th Street. So if you're coming down to Thunder Beach or you're going to Daytona and you don't mind a little bit of a detour depending on where in the country you're coming from, come on down, see us. We'll have all of our bikes set up. And we keep everything in stock. So if you're wanting an install, please give us a heads up so that way we can make sure your package is ready to get you in and out the door as quick as we can and get you back on enjoying your bike. So with that being said, I'm Brandon with Davidson Audio, and I'm out.